In this lesson, we want to introduce 3D objects in city category. I will review all of them once to get better understand with them so that you can easily use them in your project. In objects and the city section, there are a variety of other sections as well. Benches, as you can see, and bollards, and fountains, and planters, and trash cans, as well as signs, and street lights. We click and drag and release one of them in the scene. And the thing about this model is that when we click on this eye and turn the day into night, as you can see, the light inside them turn on automatically. The next part is advertising. For example, this rotating of advertising, it has animation. And the flags I will be teaching in the next lesson because I want to teach you wind setting. And finally, construction. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.